Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay November 20, 2023 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2pm digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2pm result ngayong November 20, 2023 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2pm. 3D Lotto 2pm result ngayong Monday, November 20, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2pm. 'See you again later for 5pm result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for November 20, 2023, Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 26 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 29.7 million pesos for Monday, November 20, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2pm video for afternoon of November 20, 2023, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.